Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Chrysanthemum in 7 days to die. This can be used to craft things like the herbal antibiotics, or paint and pure mineral water and many other things. So first of all, we'll need to go to the pine forest or grassland area where you can find grass, and Chrysanthemum is going to look like this red flower, and while holding any kind of tool or your fists, you want to go ahead and aim at it and left click to punch it. Also, useful thing is to have the living of the land skill unlocked to the full, because it is going to triple the harvest of the plants that you're going to find or plant, and it is going to make it much easier to collect much more of plants that you need. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.